Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the fame, it'll pull my stomach. Throw back up like I don't want it.
We got Remy and them in the house. They do side bets. No title.
No title.
Full coverage.
Pretty reckless.
I'm be like, yo, what insurance company got you full coverage? Let me know. Because I got 3 cars in the
Child support take everything.
Oh man.
You know, so I gotta work.
Going too, yo.
Well, it's gonna if you got a beat, let her. If it's gonna be too wet, I'll drive.
Sit up, my boy. Diablo.
You got it? Everybody put $100
Cuenten primero.
We only got $1,000. Everybody, whoever's in the circle, put your $100 in.
How much?
Put your $100. Give me your $100.
Estamos para allá arriba.
Chequea, check, count it.
Espérate, que yo tenía 300 del Dominica que tengo que entregarle, don. Where Ricky at?
We need somebody on top that knows whether number 2 or number 1, whatever.
What are we doing? 1 on 1.
You an idiot.
1 to 1 on top. We're gonna go to 1 on 1.
You're
Vamos a
going
empezar 1 because they just made a new street there.
Yeah,
We're gonna start on 2.
Yeah, okay.
We gotta start in the concrete.
Let's go.
We need a car up
Yeah,
top.
that'll be perfect. If you did, I don't know.
We're gonna find that out after. So let's do the quarters. Head.
No. Like do the flag and shit. No, because bueno, se pegó más pasiva because you do it.
Flag, as long as everybody's okay with it.
That's what I saw.
So it's going to be number 1. You know where it is?
Yeah.
All right, just look. There's a number 1 now.
Yeah.
If you can't read numbers.
Nah,
All right, you're calling it? What's it for?
Now, bang. Hold on, what are we doing? For lanes or? For lane.
For lane choice?
You pick. Heads. Tails it is.
So you take left lane.
Left lane. All right. Ready up?
Ready up first and bowler.
So we got left lane.
I need at least 2 people. 1 from us and 1 from y'all. Yeah, all the way up
Yo,
top on number
honestly,
1.
if you got 1 person up top,
Flagging.
with a camera
That's
straight,
it. They're good. They're gonna do that.
just
I'm
honestly,
gonna send 2. It's gonna be 2 cameras there.
all right,
So.
but just record it.
One on left side.
Record it in slow motion.
Somebody jump.
There you go.
In case it's close,
Yeah.
you can figure it out.
So we go back to the video.
You ready up first? I'm ready up second. The quarter is. Pick. Heads. Hey, whatever, don't worry. We'll keep it friendly. It is what it is. It's back here.
Por ahí cayó allá.
Heads it is. Heads it is.
Oh, heads it is. All right, so you're gonna get ready. All right, so what I'm gonna do
So
light.
you're gonna ready up first. It's gonna go
I'm gonna do
second.
light.
It's gonna go second.
We're gonna choose for light. What do you mean? The flag. I want Ricky to flag. Oh, we don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck who flag. Give a fuck who. All right. I don't care. Light is a light. That's fine. But I'm gonna say something right now. If you break before on the like, say you're doing a burner, right? And you break before the light, you don't pay. Nobody pay.
Okay.
After the light, when we're ready, you ready, I'm ready, and we're gonna go. Everybody trying to leave fast. So if you break at the line, he's getting ready to burn out.
After the light comes on, you're paying.
Yeah, to be fair.
Yes.